I divorced him when he began to give me the willies. Will he come home? Will he be sober? Finally, will he stop breathing? I knew we were incompatible right from the beginning because, you see, I'm a Gemini and he's an alcoholic. I was still thinking about keeping him, but I didn't like the way he smelled. After 6 days in the trunk of my car. I still miss my ex, but my aim is improving. Now, when I was dating, I used to hate it when some guy would break up with me and say, "Oh, we need to stop dating, but I hope we can still be friends." No! Asking somebody you're dumping to still be friends is like a kidnapper asking his victim to keep in touch. Hey, I'm going to let you go, but I want you to remember the good times, like when I untied your hands so you could feed yourself. Keep in touch. Follow me on Twitter. Now, a lot of things have changed since I was young. Well, I think children today are more sophisticated. If I had been asked what superpower I wanted, I would have said, I want to be able to stop bullets, leap buildings in a single bound, fly like Superman. I asked my 10-year-old niece this question. She said the superpower she wanted was China.